Well, hello there. Guess what? I bet you don't have to guess. I bet you already know. This fucking thing quit again. You saw in the last video, I got it running just long enough so I could move it back to its other spot in the driveway because I want to put it up on ramps and change the fuel filter. And I didn't make it that far. It quit again and would not restart. And I tried restarting it the same way I did in the last video. And this time, when I did get it running, it would cough and sputter and backfire through the intake and would just barely run. Would not accelerate. I couldn't rev it up at all. If I put it in gear, it would die immediately. And was smoking like a motherfucker. So, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it blew up or maybe the timing chain jumped a tooth or maybe one of the coils quit. So I went and borrowed this code reader from my friend again, just so I can find out if something, I want to see if it threw a code or if there's any codes that would give me a clue as to what's happening here. So here's the code reader. I get it up here on the steering wheel so we can all have a look at it. I don't know if the video shows it. Looks like it's too bright. But I'm looking at it. It says, oh, it wants me to pick a car. Okay, how do I do that? Oh, okay, I just have to go one by one. Chevrolet, here we go. Okay. It says there are 6 codes. I don't know if this is showing in the video or not. Maybe. We'll see here. 1 of 6 codes. So what is one? The first one is P1200 injector control circuit. Okay, I knew about that one. Okay, come on now. Okay, mass airflow sensor. That probably just needs to be cleaned. Manifold absolute pressure. That would be caused by the misfire or the injector not working. Okay, here's a new one. CKP sensor A circuit performance. I have no clue what that is. So P0336. I'll have to look that up after I upload this video and find out what that means. So that's code 4 of 6. Manifold absolute pressure. I knew that one already. Code 6 is the same one again. CKP sensor A circuit performance. No clue. Now that might be one of the things I unplugged when I took the induction system off so that I could start the engine. Don't know. Okay. So it isn't showing me any new codes other than just that one, the CKP thing, and I don't know what that is. So that doesn't explain why a freaking thing won't run. Unless the injector control circuit is why. But from what I have read about that, that shouldn't stop the engine from running. It should just cause a misfire on that one bad injector. So, I don't know. But, okay, I'm going to go in the house and upload this video to YouTube. It's starting to rain now, so I don't know if I'll get to work on this car anymore today. Because the other thing I would like to do is get my spark tester and just test all the coils one more time to see, just to make sure I've got spark to all 6 cylinders. Because it's possible one of my coils died. Oh, that reminds me, there's something else I want to do. And that is, it occurred to me, I've never seen a check engine light. So I just want to see if there is one. I see security. I see airbag. I see oil and volts. I see brake. There is no check engine light. Okay, so either the bulb is out or the guy who had the car before my brother took the bulb out. to stop the light from coming on. I've heard of people doing that. So maybe that's it. I'm starting to wonder if there may be a lot more, if it's starting to wonder if maybe there's a lot wrong with this car that I don't know about, and that was deliberately concealed to make sure we didn't find out. I don't know. Okay, well, now that it's raining, I'm just going to stop here and pick it up again later.